Hey guys, it's Itshlengy. I'm back again with another beautiful video. So today I just wanted to show you guys how I made this really cute crop top with the strings on it. I love the strings. If you're new to this channel, welcome. Subscribe to my channel. Let's get to the video. So this is the material I'm going to be using. It's a stretchy material. With this material, I did a skirt, and then I just didn't like it anymore, so now I just want to use it to make this crop top. So I'm going to be using my other crop top as a pattern in order to do this crop top. So please follow through the video if I can't explain things properly. So now I'm gonna be making this is the front side, and now I'm gonna be cutting out the back side. And yeah, so I'm done cutting out the back. Now I'm just gonna sew these. I've just sewed them. Now I'm going to turn my tops inside out. So I've just turned the other one around, and I'm gonna do the same thing with this one. After turning them, I'm going to sew them together. Now I'm going to sew them together. Here are my straps that I'm going to sew. So this top is very quick and easy to do. I just feel like sometimes you can make your own crop tops instead of like buying all the time. So for me, it saves me money, and yeah, it's really easy. Like, you don't have to be a fashion designer in order to learn how to sew. You can just follow through my videos, and yeah, this is how the top looks like, and I'm loving it. It's so comfortable. You can wear it anywhere, and you can rock the top with your jeans, your skirts, whatever feels comfortable with you. If you like this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel for more fashion videos. Also follow my shorts. I post food videos there, food tutorials, and I'm gonna see you next time. Bye.